Containers we've been harvesting all week. Coffee grounds, vegetable peelings.
Eggshells.
Yeah, eggshells.
What have you been saving all week?
Compost.
Oh.
For the compost pile. Now eventually one day that will all decompose and make some good dirt.
Yay for compost.
Yes, less waste in the trash too. Recycle, burn the cardboard, and less trash, which is always a good thing.
Here's our water, guys. This tank, this was just off the one side of the cabin. About 50 gallons in there, I think. It's up just shy, well, about 40 gallons, I think. Just shy of the first rung. So, and that just came from the hose that we have temporarily set up. So that's catching from the cabin, and the hose just comes down here to the tank, the big tank. Well, it only rained for what, hour and a half?
Yeah.
Also, when we cut all this stuff back, because it was hanging down too close to the cabin and stuff, and we wanted to open it up so we could see into the woods. So we've been burning, we burned all that because it's been pouring for a couple hours. We got this new setup here where the water comes in here and hits my little ricochet right into the gutter. And Jenny bought this leaf catcher stuff. All the leaves are getting caught up here now. Look at that mess. Well, that's all from the trees, or from burning. That's what that is. That's all from burning. That's why you don't burn branches when it's dry out, because all that would be in the woods, catching the woods on fire. What you got there?
Our element drink.
Is it salty, wonderful deliciousness?
Mm-hmm.
Does it have tons of electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and magnesium in it to help with your muscles and cells work properly?
Yes.
All right.
I needed it today. Hurting myself.
Jenny shoveled out the hillside there, so check out the link in the description box below and the first pinned comment. We like them all. Is there any that we don't like? Jenny doesn't really like the grapefruit, but I'm okay with it. So. Right now, Element is offering our viewers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any Element order. That is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/Jay and Jen. The deal is only available through our link, so check it out. You must go to drinkLMNT.com/Jay and Jen. Thanks, Element, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the project.
Well, that's a big old chunk.
Use this for something somewhere.
Yeah. One,
2, 3, 5.5 total. Make sure it's tracking on there okay. So guys, you want the blade, the teeth sticking out in front of the wheel, obviously, so it doesn't hit your belt. Make sure our belts look okay. This is supposed to be loose on here. Here's our switches that I had problems with before. Everything looks good. Let's turn it a half a dozen times to make sure it stays on the track. Looks good.
all right, you look, come back a little more actually. A little bit more. All right, tires hitting the log. Well, what do you think of our compost bin slash water tank holder?
Very useful. It's gonna have water catchment, extra water catchment for the gardens that are gonna be down here next year. And then composting bin.
Well, good dirt.